about one story.
What story, Miss?
Oh, here we go. The Woodpecker.
Wow.
Yeah. Later, Miss Ria will ask you to tell me about the inside of the story. But before that, you need to listen very carefully. You need to sit down and listen to Miss Ria and Miss Ella while we are telling you the story. Okay? Let's restart.
Yay!
The Woodpecker. Let's open the book. You see here, pack, 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 pack. I make packing sounds. Can you guess what I am? Can you guess what animal is this? Let's open the next page. Here we go. The woodpecker. I'm a woodpecker. I peck at tree trunks to look for grubs. Grubs are baby insects. Every day I fly around the forest. I look for grubs for myself and also for my babies. Let's see. The woodpecker is looking for the grubs. Let me fly up to that tree. And the woodpeckers fly up to the tree to find the grubs. And with sharp claws, I cling onto the tree. I start to pack the tree trunk with my strong and pointed beak. You see? The woodpecker put the beak into the trunk to take the grubs. Do you see the grubs? What is this? Can you guess what is that? Let's open the next page. Help! Help! Do you know what is this? Yes, that's correct. That's so warm. There are 3. 1, 2, 3 worms. And I peck at all the grubs that I see. Look, the woodpecker looks so happy when she can catch the grubs. Let's see what is next. The woodpecker is still in the tree. It is time to fly back to my nest. My babies must be very hungry. The woodpecker is so excited to see the baby. Let's see. Can you see the little bird over there? The little woodpecker. There are how many the little woodpecker over there? That's correct. There are 2. 1, 2. And the mommy give the food to their babies. Eat more, my little ones. That's what the woodpecker said to the babies. Okay, I need to go look for more food now because the babies can eat very well. The mommy is so happy and want to find much more food for the babies. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. The story has done. Do you like it? And it's time for you to tell us what animals that you can remember from the story and what are you doing inside the story. Okay? Tell me, alright? We will wait